Zcash could decline 1.8% by August 8 based on 30 rates forecast. But first, let's take a second to assess the latest price behavior. As of the latest update, Zcash is down 1% in the past 24 hours and is trading close to $502.12. Let's step into today's projections now. CoinLore expects the chart to show $509.53 by August 8th, a gain of roughly 1.5%. CoinCodex expects cash to reach $505.68, a projected increase of about 0.7%. CoinDataFlow notes it might be on track for $495.91 on the downside, implying a loss of 1.2%. A different prediction from 30 rates projects Zcash might approach $493, about 1.8% down. And finally, crypto predictions points to $416.48 by August 8, 17.1% below current value. This is the highest profit potential we've reviewed. All 5 takes are in. Let's shift ahead. With all forecasts considered, here's what the numbers show. The combined outlook suggests movement anywhere from a decline of 17.1% to a gain of 1.5%. Reviewing the results, crypto predictions shows the highest return with 17.1% uplift in value by tomorrow. Ultimately, you could realize between $7 and $171 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probability, CoinCodex stands out with a 90.5% chance of success. Combining all 5 forecasts, I've prepared a single consensus outlook. According to the consensus, Zcash appears set for a decline of about 3.6%. Here's a closer look at the numbers. The consensus estimate points to a loss of around 3.6%. And by that identical percentage, your capital may also grow. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $36 gained. And the probability of the consensus forecast for Zcash being realized is around 69%. To wrap up this stage, let's check the 3-day outlooks from analysts. The outlook from CoinLore shows the price climbing further. Also, CoinCodex sees the price heading upward in the days ahead. CoinDataFlow expects Zcash to head lower. The direction called out by 30th rates is toward higher levels. According to crypto predictions, the market is likely to trend downward. Consensus projections indicate Zcash will likely follow a downward path in the short term. Overall, 60% of forecasts point toward gains, underscoring optimism around Zcash. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Let's see how they held up in reality. In the end, the day's last trade was around $502.34. Only 2 predictions turned out right. If accuracy decides, then CoinCodex was the most on point. Now let's sort it out clearly. Yesterday's trading session contained 2 forecasts inside the range. Speaking of ROI, part of the group achieved positive results, and CoinCodex had the highest return at 2.7%. Here's the full recap table, the entire set of results shown together. Traders Union is shown with $19.33 accuracy, 91.2% forecast probability, and minus 2.8% ROI. Take a guess. Who do you think gave the most accurate forecast? And now let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare across different cryptocurrencies based on consensus forecasts. Zcash holds second position, as Algorand stays ahead with 3.8%. Here you can see Zcash compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. You can find more forecasts and updates on my website. Before you go, hit subscribe to stay aligned with tomorrow's update. See you, friends.